Hey YouTube, I wanted to try this girl's idea. She got it from someone else of using soap to do your eyebrows. So that's what we're gonna try to do today. I've never done this before, so this might look stupid and I might have to just take it off and just do it the normal way that I usually do my eyebrows. So let's get into it. Okay. So first she's like, if I remember the video correctly, she says you're supposed to brush your eyebrows in the direction you want them to go. And then you get your soap, and I'm just gonna use regular Dettol soap that's right here. It's just, she just used a bar of soap, my bar of soap, and just scrape a little bit of the soap off. This is mad weird, y'all. I don't even know what to think of this. And then, okay, I didn't get enough soap. So I guess you want to get a lot. She had a good amount of soap on her spoolie. Maybe I'm supposed to wet it. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I wet my spoolie a little bit. And I'm kind of just scraping some of it up. Brush it in the way you want your eyebrows to be shaped. First of all, I haven't had my eyebrows done in a minute, so we're going all natural here. These jumps aren't even clipped evenly. So I don't know how this is about to look. That's why I'm really sitting here I don't know how this is supposed to work, but I guess it's gonna dry. So I'm gonna get some more. I'm gonna do the other side. So I wet it some more, and I'm just gonna scrape it a little bit more. I swear if this works, I'm gonna be what the I swear if this works. So she said if you use too much, just kind of wipe a little bit of it off. Like that. Something like this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, but the way this one dried looks so good. side, but we're not gonna get into that. So the only thing I use to do my eyebrows is ColourPop, and that's this, and it's in the color black and brown. Probably can't see it on the back. I'm scared. I never did my eyebrows like this before. So she says she likes her eyebrows natural, so she just does like little strokes. I've never done my eyebrows like natural before. I normally just really fill them in because my eyebrows are really sparse and they're like really light. So another point of like doing my eyebrows is to like really fill them in. Like this side is really sparse, so it's like I want to fill it in as much as I can, but I also don't want to like fill it in, I don't know, too much. I don't know. Cause like the point is to try to make it look natural. I mean, like, I guess it looks okay. Fuck, I don't know, y'all. This side got a little crazy over here, but we're just gonna doing like several strokes. This is like my hardest eyebrow to do because I don't like this eyebrow has like a whole flex shape. This joint is just, it's like, it's crazy. I don't know what's up with this eyebrow. I'll do that now. Okay, I ain't putting no primer on my face or nothing. We just gonna focus on the eyebrows for right now. I did wash my face and moisturize already. If you can tell, I'm looking real, might look a little greasy, a little oily. That's cause I'm moisturizing my face. I hope this side is like coming together. Okay, honestly, I'm about to enough. I always get a halo, as of other people might always get halos too. So you guys can see. I can't even see what I'm doing. Okay. And we're only gonna put it under the eyebrow. So I really hope you guys can see this because I feel like I'm scared. Alright. Nah, y'all, like, because I kind of like how I look. This one looks stupid, but I kind of like how I look. She said she will only go underneath. And that was it. And then just kind of like blend it in. And I guess okay. We'll just go with that. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I definitely messed that side up. I do that every time. Okay, for this eyebrow, I'm gonna also do it at the top too because the top look real janky. I don't like how the top looks right now. So I'm gonna do the top of it. I mean, it doesn't look like extremely horrible, but like if I brushed it, it would like come out of place, and I think that's like exactly what happened. So yeah.
Oh, no, 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 no.
I kind of feel like I made it look better. I don't know. I feel like it looks stupid. I don't think this style is for me. Alright, we're just gonna roll with it. Cause that is just what we do. We roll with it.